Hey everybody, how are you? I've got a Scentsy haul. So if you don't know who I am Melanie. I'm an independent Scentsy consultant, and I recently closed out a Scentsy party, so I have a little order for myself here, and I wanted to open it up with you and haul it with you. So I haven't looked at anything yet. I just opened the top of the box and took out the stuffing. First thing we have is a bunch of wax, and this is a lot of Bring Back My Bar scents, plus the July scent of the month. In the summertime, they ship, I'm going to get this giant box out of my way, they ship in these nice Mylar bags, and there's going to be an ice pack in here to keep it all nice and cool in its travels, and I also have a warmer. So let's start with this wax. So here's what your wax looks like inside, and I've got a ice pack with the, what do you call it, like a little diaper thing just in case it leaks. I reuse these for my Rocky Top business, so I'm kind of excited to get more of these. I'm going to take out all the bars, and I believe I got 12 bars, 2 6-packs. And most of these, I believe most of these I haven't sniffed yet, and I have my laptop right here so I can look at the scent notes. So these are going to be first sniffs. All right, let's see what we have first. And they're a little bit warm, but nothing is melted. It is hot, hot, hot here in Tennessee. The first one we have is Lemon Verbena. Oh my goodness. So everybody in my Scentsy group raved about this. Like they were so sad to see it go away a million years ago. They have it in their. So before I sniff this, let me just go over real quick what Bring Back My Bar is, in case you don't know and you're new to Scentsy. Scentsy has a thing called Bring Back My Bar. It's twice a year, and we all vote. Everybody has the opportunity to vote on what scents they want to come back. So things that were like in a catalog maybe a million years ago, maybe a couple years ago, whatever. They give you a list. They give us a list of all the different scents that we want to choose from, and everyone votes. And from that, we have 1 month out of the year that these are available again. And if you love it, that's your chance to put it in your Scentsy club. So that's really cool. This is Lemon Verbena, and everybody was talking about this, how awesome it is. They couldn't believe it went away. And when it did, it took everybody by surprise, and nobody put it in their club. So let's sniff it. It's great. Yep, it is a lemon verbena scent. Nice and fresh. Wow. I mean, nothing groundbreaking, but and these are a little warm, so they're not going to pop out happy. So I'm just going to sniff it from here. It's lovely. I get a little lime, too. Like a bright lemon lime verbena scent. Beautiful. Beautiful. They were right. It is wonderful. All right, next we have Berry Bubble Blue. And I have the scent notes here because I forget what this is. But let's sniff it first and see what it smells like. Wow. Oh, I love this. This is cotton candy. Oh, my goodness. Wow, this is sweet cotton candy. It smells like it's going to be strong, too. Oh, this is good. Yeah, it smells like blue cotton candy. All right, let's see what the actual scent notes are. Okay, so this says, a delicious blast of blue raspberry, tart green apple, and spun sugar will brighten up your bath time, bedtime, anytime. Wow. Total cotton candy. This is really good. So if you're a Scentsy customer of mine, if you're not a Scentsy customer of mine, if you'd like to sample of any of these that you see me going over, just hit me up and I will send you a sample. Next is Coconut Daiquiri. Oh, that's a lot more coconut than I thought. Ooh, that's cool. Okay. Yeah, this is super coconutty. This is a tropical blend of coconut milk, banana, and vanilla cream that's as refreshing as it is sweet. Yeah, I like this. I don't know that I get the banana, but I definitely get a creamy coconut. Almost like a little perfumey. This is nice. This is almost like a little bum bum perfumey. Very nice. Okay, next we have Farmer's Market. I was really excited for this one. I don't remember what it is, but I remember being excited for it. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is very green. Yep, this was the one with a lot of greens in it. Let's see. This is Crunchy Carrot and Cucumber with a hint of rose. Will have you seeing and smelling green. Yeah, I definitely get a nice green scent. All right. right, let's see what's next. Sandalwood and cranberries. I was really, really excited for this. I think this is going to be really good for fall. Love sandalwood, love cranberry. Come on, be good. Oh, yeah. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, if you love cranberry. This is more on the cranberry. And it does have sandalwood in it too, but oh, a nice sweet cranberry with like a little sandalwood smoothing it out. Oh, this is really, really good. So, okay, so they are saying this is exotic sandalwood, sweet cranberries, and spice. And yeah, that's exactly what I get. This is lovely. Oh, total club worthy. This is going to be wonderful. So if you like cranberry chutney from back in the day from Yankee Candle, you will love that. Surfer Chick. Don't remember what's in this. Let's smell. I just like the name. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, this is a Scentsy pretty scent. I love Scentsy's pretty scents. Let's see what is in this. So this is a pretty sweet bedroom scent, a little bit fruity. This is bubbly lemon tonic and guava frolic with sweet cherries and blackberries in this youthful scent. Very pretty. Very pretty. Like a, yeah, like a youthful pink pretty scent. Not perfumey, but very pretty. Okay, next we have Happy Go Lucky. And I'll read the scent notes after I sniff it. Oh, this is pretty. Pretty in a little bit of a musky way. Oh, what a bedroom scent. This is nice. Kind of, another Scentsy pretty scent. This is luscious red berries, silky orchid, and Japanese plum floating on a cloud of amber and vanilla. That amber really comes through. So this is a lot more perfumey, but in like the, in a powdery kind of musky way, but still sweet. Oh, really pretty bedroom scent. I love the Scentsy pretty bedroom scents. Okay, next is Reggae Sunset. Wow, okay. Ooh, this is different. So I get like maybe tangerine, grapefruit. There's like some spices going on here. Wow. So yeah, this is totally different than anything I've ever smelled before. This is juicy mandarin and orange blossoms with hints of lime and a spicy finish. And it has a spicy finish. This is so cool. This is kind of like a mandarin moon, but not with clove. This is really good. This is neat. I really like this. Totally different. I've never smelled a scent like this. This is good. Okay, Highway Run. This could go either way with me. Like at first I thought, oh no, it's going to be masculine because of the name. But then I read the scent notes and I'm like, I might like this. So let's see. Oh, no. Absolutely not. Yeah, way masculine cologne. I probably should have watched some reviews on this. This will be good for my husband's office. Yeah, total man scent. It feels like it's giving me a headache already. Okay, probably not the best option for me. If you like yeah, so if you like men's cologne scents, you will like this. This is Toss 'em Up and Go Where It Takes You. As crisp, adventurous notes of eucalyptus bud, cedar, and amber and vetiver grass lead the way. Yeah, no. Way too aftershave. I want it out of my nose. Okay. Next I have Shaka. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is borderline masculine too, but in a fresh way. This I can do. But this is like a fresh showered man. Let's see what this says. Hold on. Okay, this is classically cool, rich sandalwood infused with a splash of bergamot and lime. Like a fresh man deodorant kind of shower gel kind of scent. That will also be for my husband's office. And very last, I had to bring back my bars that I got. I should have got the apple one. I don't know why I didn't. Sea, Sun, and Fun. Wow. Ooh, that's good. Ooh, I get some zingy lime, but with a salty sea air. That's pungent in a good way. Let's see what this is. All right. Summer Fun is a splash of salt water, orange twist, That must be what I thought was lime. Scattered with lily petals and rays of sunny amber. This is good. This is not like anything I've smelled before either. I'm just looking at this, that it seems like it's not like as full as it usually is. You know, it's just one side is lower than the other one. Their table must have been a little cattywampus. That is really good. Oh, I really like that. I don't know why I didn't get the sea salt mist one, but this is really, really good. I'll put that in my club. Wow, I like this. Totally like this. And the very last thing that I got is the scent of the month for July, Provence. Right? That's how you would say it. Provence, lavender. Oh, man. Okay, so this is just wow, it's oily too. Look at the shine on that bad boy. Very floral, true lavender. And it smelled, now that the oils are coming up on this, so I had a customer order the whiff box, and I sniffed it like briefly, but now I'm really getting a sniff of it, and it is total, true floral lavender. Yeah, it's really nice. It's different than any of the lavenders that they have. It's not a clean lavender, which I love clean lavenders. Love, love, love clean lavenders. This is a floral lavender. I like it. All right, let's get to the warmer. Okay, so I got the Cute as a Button warmer. This is that mosaic mushroom warmer. It was out of stock for a while. Then it came back in stock. Like, it didn't just get back in stock, but it got back in stock long enough for me that I was able to close out my party and get this for a deal. So let's see. It's got a little box on the top. This is going to be our dish. Ooh, and it's a really pretty color. I'm just going to close up my laptop so I can use the top of it. This is a really pretty color. It's like a fall leaf red. Wow, is that pretty? And it's got a number... What does that say? How many? Oh, just 2 cubes. Well, that's different. Yeah, look at that. So they're recommending the maximum amount of cubes on it is 2. So maybe I haven't noticed, but in the past they always say 4. And like 4 is way too many. Like, you don't ever need 4 wax cubes, especially for the size dish. 2 is their recommended for this, and that's exactly what I would go with in all of my warmers, except for like the really, really big dish ones, like the really wide dish ones, I'll do 3 in. But generally speaking, 2 is where it's at for me. I get good throw. It doesn't overfill it. It's not underfilled. Oh, this is Cute as a Button. Pull it out. I'm going to put the box right here. All right, it's a 25 watt bulb. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it is a glass mosaic warmer. So it's got all these little tiny glass pieces that are grouted in. So I just screwed the light bulb in here, and you can see this light bulb is in like the stem of the mushroom. It is seated way down in there, and it was like basically touching the side of the warmer. Now, all Scentsy's warmers now have like the guts are removable. So if you ever had a problem with like the inner workings of the warmer, you can take this out and they'll send you the new guts. But anyway, because that is removable, you can move it around a little bit. So I don't want my light bulb like leaning on the side of the glass. So I just kind of, you see, it just moves around a little bit. I moved it around. So how cute is this? I'll get it nice and close for you. But really the magic is going to be when we turn it on. I've got it plugged in. So check this out. I got this Craftsman. So I don't know if you know, I have a little she cabin and there's not any power in there. So I got this little Craftsman battery. I don't even know what this is called. Like a little battery pack adapter thing. I don't know. But anyway, you could put a little Craftsman battery on this and it will power like a small electrical device, like a charger or whatever, or light. So let's turn it on. Oh, this is so cute. All right. Hold on for a sec. Let me turn off some lights. Okay, I turned off the lights and closed the blinds. How precious is this? Now, this is cute as a button in that it is not a big warmer at all. I'm not sure exactly how tall it is, but you can see it is as tall as my hand. But you know what? This is a 25 watt bulb in here, and the dish is sitting really close to the mushroom top. So I'm going to have this plugged in, and I will get out my heat gun and do a heat read on this. But how stinking cute is this? And I don't know if you can see behind me, but now it's in front of me. See, it's giving, oh yeah, on my face. See how it does a little bit of light pattern on the wall where the little polka dots are on here. Trying to get it close. Oh, this is cute. I don't know what took me so long to get this. This is so adorable. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Cute as a button warmer. Definitely cute as a button. Bye-bye. So I am setting it up in my den, but I wanted to show you how nice it fits on a Bath & Body Works pedestal. So any 4-inch candle pedestal. This is the honeycomb one. Let me just turn off the warmer real quick so you can see it. But it seats perfectly on a Bath & Body Works pedestal. So if you want to use one of those to give it like a little bit of height in your display, totally can do that. Obviously a bigger one will work as well, that would hold like a homework. I'm not sure if this quite holds a homework candle or not, but I think that one also looks really cute. All right, everybody. I'm gonna have fun setting this up. So I wasn't feeling the mushroom in the den, but I love it in here. I wanted to see it like when I was at my desk in my office, and I was gonna put it under there, but I love the little warmer under there. I just think it looks adorable up here. I didn't put any wax in it yet, but I should. Wow, it feels really warm. You know what? I'm gonna put some wax in it, and I will put the heat gun on it and let you know what the temperature is. How cute is it in here? So cute. So let's try out Surfer Chick in the office. Alright guys, let's check in on this warmer. It looks really, really good. That's just 1 cube of wax, but it is melted down really nicely. Ooh, 164. So 166, it's going to be like around in the 165 range. Yeah, so 163 to 166. Okay, so in my opinion, anything in the 160s is a really good performing warmer. This is a hotter warmer. That bulb is really nice and close. It's not that big of a space. The mosaic helps insulate it. I feel really, really confident to say that this is going to be a really great performing warmer. Now, in here right now, I have the Surfer Girl, and honestly, you know what? I can't say I can smell it, but look. So I have all this wax out. I have no idea what's going on scent-wise. I'm packaging up this Tres Leches cheesecake, so I have like all this scent going on with this, and I just made this wax, so like my nose is not picking up on the finite details. But yeah, really good performer. Super happy with it. Oh, I love sitting here at my desk working and seeing it.